Hi guys, good morning. So, bago lang ako natapos sa processing ko for legalization guys. And hindi na tayo mag-intro dito and I will not make this video longer. Kasi nga gusto kong i-share sa inyo on how to go to the DFA Asiena in Manila para magpa-legalization. So, these requirements guys is for FRB visa going to Germany. So, nalito din ako guys, of course, kasi nga ako lang naman nagpa-process sa, what do you call this one? Sa mga documents namin ng aking bana. Oh. So, anyway guys, so first step na gagawin nyo guys, syempre kung late registered kayo, tulad ko, you need to provide those requirements na need ng what is that called? For legalization. So, meron ding requirements for legalization pag once na delay yung birth certificate mo. So, yung una-una dun is yung LCR mo, and then yung baptismal, form 137 mo for your primary school. So, ayan guys, marami siyang requirements pag once na delay ka. Pero kung hindi naman delay yung birth certificate mo, good to you. And hindi tulad ko, delay yung birth certificate ko. At the same time, yung, excuse me, yung PSA certificate ko or birth certificate ko is hindi siya clear. So, I need to provide another documents which is the LCR. So, ayun na nga guys. So, yun yung first is, ulitin ko na naman ha, hindi ko na to i-edit tong video na to. So, kasi nga wala na tayong connection mamaya pag uwi ko sa province namin. So, yung first na requirements for legalization, pag once na delay yung birth certificate mo, is LCR, birth certificate, and then second naman is yung baptismal mo, and third is yung, anong tawag nito? Third naman is yung Senomar. Kailangan mo ma-provide ng Senomar na kukunin mo sa PSA kasi nga yun yung i-compare nila doon sa documents na in-order mo online. And yung pang-apat naman guys is of course yung marriage certificate nyo ng hubby mo. So, yun lang yung 4 na documents. So, pag once na mag-order kayo sa PSA online para sa legalization naman guys, meron namang instruction doon kung ano yung ipoprovide mo during your day sa pagpunta mo doon sa DFA Asiena. So, yung DFA Asiena guys is located siya sa Parañaque, no? And hindi naman siya mahirap hindi naman siya mahirap hanapin. Muntik lang naman akong malito kung saan ba yun. So anyway, so yun yung requirements. So hindi ko po na masabi sa inyo yung mga requirements for FRB visa kasi nga hindi pa naman ako mag-a-apply. So yung kino-comply ko ngayon is yung requirements for legalization lamang. Pero yung legalization na to is ito yung one of the requirements for FRB visa. So hopefully guys, meron kayong natutunan on this video and I will do my best to make another video para naman makatulong sa inyo. And, yeah, mahirap naman guys pag once na wala talagang mag-guide sa inyo. So, mayroong mga nag-message sa akin kung pwede ko ba silang matulungan. Guys, I try my best na mag-update dito sa YouTube. Pero, kung gusto nyo na i-contact ako personally guys, I think I will not gonna answer you guys kasi it's very difficult sa kuang side, which is for example I don't have a connection, and then also guys syempre pag maraming magko-contact sa akin, 'di ba? Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa. So just keep on watching here on my YouTube channel guys. Mag-update ako dito as long as may connection ako. And ayun, kung meron kayong mga question, you can comment down below and I will try my best to make it. Actually guys, mayroong mga comment na nakatambay about sa Schengen visa or visit visa going to Germany. Mayroong mga tanong doon. Hindi ko pa sila masagot. So, I will make another video for it. Maybe i-upload ko kung hindi tomorrow at the next day. So, ayun lang muna tayo guys. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully you get something on this video. Bye guys!